Upbeat background music fades in. Hey, Python developers. Ready to build your own AI-powered chatbot in just minutes? Before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to your channel name for more awesome tech content. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now imagine having your own AI chatbot that can answer questions, assist users, and even hold conversations, all powered by cutting-edge AI technology. Sounds exciting, right? Well, today we're going to build exactly that. Welcome to your channel name, where I turn complex tech into simple, actionable steps. Today, we'll be creating a GPT-powered chatbot using Python. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this step-by-step guide will help you unlock the power of AI and build something truly amazing. So grab your favorite code editor and let's dive in. Before we start coding, let's make sure you have everything you need. Here's what you'll need to follow along. Python installed on your computer. I'm using Python 3.8, but any recent version will work. An OpenAI API key. We'll be using GPT-3 or GPT-4 to power our chatbot. Don't worry, I'll show you how to get one. A code editor. I'll be using VS Code, but you can use any editor you're comfortable with. Basic knowledge of Python. If you're new to Python, don't worry. I'll explain everything as we go. Links to everything you need are in the description below. First, head over to OpenAI's website and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the API section and generate your API key. Keep this key safe, we'll need it in just a moment. Now that we have our API key, let's set up our project. Open your code editor and create a new Python file. I'll call mine chatbot.py. Next, we'll install the OpenAI Python library. Open your terminal and run the following command, pip install OpenAI. Once the installation is complete, we're ready to start coding. Let's start by importing the OpenAI library and setting up our API key. Add the following code to your file. Python import OpenAI_key_ your API key. Now let's create a function that sends a prompt to GPT and returns the response. Here's how we'll do it. Python def chat with GPT prompt. This function takes a user's prompt, sends it to GPT, and returns the AI's response. The temperature parameter controls how creative or strict the responses are. Feel free to tweak it to suit your needs. Let's test our chatbot. Add the following code to create a simple loop that lets you chat with the AI Python if. Now, run the script and start chatting. You'll see how powerful and responsive your chatbot is. Try asking it questions or giving it tasks. It's amazing what it can do. Congratulations, you've just built your own GPT-powered chatbot. But why stop here? Here are a few ways you can take this project to the next level. Integrate it into a web app using frameworks like Flask or Django. Add a graphical interface with tkinter or PyQt. Train it on specific datasets to create a specialized chatbot for your needs. The possibilities are endless, and I can't wait to see what you create. Share your projects in the comments below. I'd love to check them out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more tutorials like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!